I have an awesome Google Slides presentation and I want to get it to be a video, right? I want to do this presentation remotely. I want to send it somewhere. I want to put it on YouTube. I need to convert this into a video. Right now, unfortunately, Google doesn't have a way to do that within the application, but it's 100% doable. So inside the Slides platform itself, you're not going to be able to do this. Where you can do it, we're going to go to some free software. I'm going to just magic over to another tab here. Boom. And what I'm typing in is Screencast-O-Matic. So Screencast-O-Matic. Something like that. And it should pull up right here. You could just go to screencast-o-matic.com. That will work too, but make sure you have the hyphens. All right, let's click. And here we are. We don't need to make an account or anything like that. We just want to click on Start Recording for free. Once I've done so, I'm going to go ahead now and click Launch Free Recording. And it's loading. Launching recorder. It will ask you permissions. You probably want to click this box. I won't for this demo, but it's a good idea to click that. I'm going to hit open. And I'm going to click download here. It might download automatically. It might not. But regardless, you probably need to download it. Mine already tried to launch it because it knows I have it installed. So let's see here. Click web recorder, and I'm just going to click on this to execute it. It will then go through the steps of the installation. And finally, it will, boom. Finally, it will load. So here we are. We're at narration is done through our microphone, okay? And computer audio, we can't record. We have a 15-minute limit. Let's head back to Google Slides. With this all set up, I'm gonna magic my way back, boom. And remember, this is what I wanna record. So to do that, I'm gonna say full screen, right? I want to record this entire area here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click, and it will give me a 3, 2, 1. I might as well actually hit present first. Loading up. And I'm going to go ahead now and click record. And here I am. But I could embed a video right here on the side if I wanted videos along, or I can talk over the presentation while I go. I'm gonna hit next here. Oh, look, more interesting stuff. I talk about it, I could have a video, and boom. So this one I already loaded a video into, and this is what you're going to want to do with your slides, right? So the video is down here. I've already put it in. I'm gonna hit play. And what I would do is once I hit play, I'm just going to make sure my speakers are loud enough that my microphone can catch it or that my microphone's closed. You won't need to be talking during your presentation because you'll have these videos embedded and ready to rock. Okay? Of this term. So now I'm going to go back because this one doesn't have a video. So I want to show you how to go about doing this. Now, if you have multiple different people, which all of you do, it's a team, what you're going to want to do here, let me exit presentation mode, I'm going to go ahead and click insert video. Right? This will give me an option to search YouTube if you uploaded a video to YouTube from your phone or something, a URL. I just put mine in Google Drive, right? And so if you share them through Google Drive, it's a really easy way to access your videos. I'm going to click on one randomly. Let's just do this one up here. Select. And it will pop in right here. And it will allow you to, well, move it around, get it to where you want. And so each slide, you could have a separate video, whether you take it on your phone or a webcam, and you can just pop them in like I did. It won't allow you though, as I just showed you, I'm going to do it one more time, insert video. It's not going to allow you to upload it here. And that's not because they're mean. You got to go to Google Drive to upload it. So let me show you real quick what I mean there. Oh, also notice I'm still recording. So I was a bad example. I should have clicked stop when I was done with my presentation, but I'm first going to get the other things I need to show you a complete example. So to get videos actually into this, you're probably going to want to upload them to Google Drive. To get to Google Drive, let me just magic my way back over to Google. There we are. And it's really just Drive, but I will get us there. And I should already be logged in, so I'm going to click go to my drive. You need to have a Google account, but you do if you're on Google Slides. And here's where I can do new file, upload, and I can find the file that I need for this particular video and hit open. I already have this one, but as an example, and it's going to load down here. Once it's all loaded up, that's when I can head back to my presentation, insert video, and search for it. I can also share my video with someone and they can then put it in their presentation. So you can have videos from your different group members all in the same presentation. Insert video. Let me just throw in, sure, this one, all my learning at home videos. Great. Oh, I might have already had this one. That's fine. So there we are. Now, you have a few options for this. You can do autoplay when presenting. Okay, and that way when you click through the slides, it will just automatically set them off. It is a nice feature. Now at this point, I am ready to record, right? I have all of my pretend me talking about stuff in the corner. I have Screencast-O-Matic still way down here. I'm going to now, get rid of that. I'm going to click present. And now I'm going to hit record. Hello, students. Today we are going to continue down the same path of hitting upon those critical concepts of programming, of building, of designing, of making things within. I'll pretend that I'm done. I got all that. Right? Remember, you want your microphone close to your speakers to capture video audio. If this click. Hello, class. Welcome to class. Today we are diving into variables and functions more. And we have seen some of this through. And we'll pretend I caught all that. And then finally, I didn't put this one on autoplay, so you would just click. Welcome to class, or to this assignment, and to the second part of our week 4. Perfect. Now let's say I'm done. So I'm going to just hit escape to get out of this. You would want to, I was a bad example there. You would want to hit pause first, right? Before hitting escape, or I guess I could do it here. You hit pause and then you're going to hit done. Edit video. And this should pop up. No thanks, I'm not going to pay anything. And I can do edit, but it's not going to give us access to features. What I should be able to do here is pick what section I want. So remember, I messed up that end a bit, right? I was saying, so maybe I want to cut off the end and I can pick where it actually ends. Only publish this section. It will stop there. Sure. Now that I'm all done with that, I can pick to upload it to YouTube. If you do select this option, it's going to ask you to launch your browser and log into your Google account. Okay, feel free to do that. That's great. It's really nice integration. You can launch, you can pick your account, and you can go from there. You can also, though, directly download the video right here or save it to your computer, my video, and hit publish. It's going to ask you where to store it, and then you can upload it to YouTube or send it to another group member for them to upload. Keep in mind, there will be a little watermark down here just saying we made this with Screencast-O-Matic. That's what keeps it free. That is totally okay. Once I hit publish, I am ready to rock with my awesome presentation.